Welcome back to Today in History. Brace yourselves as we journey through time to uncover 20 astonishing events that happened on December 5th throughout the ages. From daring explorations to groundbreaking legislation, we've got a lineup that will leave you amazed and eager for more. If you're a fan of surprising historical nuggets served with a side of humor, hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Number 20. On December 5th, 1492, Christopher Columbus becomes the first European to set foot on the island of Hispaniola. Little did he know he'd spark centuries of debates and a serious case of jet lag for future historians. Number 19. December 5th, 1766. James Christie holds the first sale at Christie's auction house in London. The art world would never be the same. Wallets trembled, and bidding paddles everywhere rejoiced. Number 18. On December 5th, 1831, former U.S. President John Quincy Adams takes his seat in the House of Representatives. Talk about not knowing when to retire. He became the only ex-president to serve in Congress. Number 17. December 5th, 1848. President Polk ignites the California gold rush by confirming gold was found. Cue the mass exodus of folks hoping to strike it rich, or at least find a shiny souvenir. Number 16. On December 5th, 1931, the Cathedral of Christ the Savior in Moscow is demolished on Stalin's orders, because apparently, one man's utopia is another man's demolition project. Wrecking balls, anyone? Number 15. December 5th, 1933. Prohibition ends in the United States with the ratification of the 21st Amendment. Cheers to that. America collectively said, "We'll drink to that. Legally this time." Number 14. On December 5th, 1945, Flight 19 disappears over the Bermuda Triangle. 5 planes vanish into thin air, fueling conspiracy theories and bad movie plots for decades. Cue the eerie music. Number 13. December 5th, 1952. The Great Smog of London begins, causing major health issues. Londoners thought fog was their thing, but this smog was next level. Mother Nature decided to play hide and seek, sans the fun. Number 12. On December 5th, 1955, the Montgomery bus boycott begins. Rosa Parks' stand leads to a 381-day protest, and the wheels of the civil rights movement start turning. That's how you catch a ride to change. Number 11. December 5th, 1955. The American Federation of Labor and the Congress of Industrial Organizations merged to form the AFL-CIO. Unions united like a superhero team-up, but with fewer capes and more hard hats. Number 10. On December 5th, 1958, the UK's first motorway, the Preston Bypass, opens to traffic. Drivers rejoice at the chance to experience traffic jams at higher speeds. Road trips just leveled up. Number 9. December 5th, 1969. The Rolling Stones release Let It Bleed. Fans get their satisfaction as the iconic album hits the shelves. Music history was made, and vinyl sales skyrocketed. Number 8. On December 5th, 1974, the final episode of Monty Python's Flying Circus airs on BBC. The comedy troupe bows out, leaving us with a ministry of silly walks and endless quotes. Now for something completely different. Number 7. December 5th, 2005. The Civil Partnership Act 2004 comes into effect in the UK, allowing same-sex couples to form civil partnerships. Love wins a legal victory, and wedding bells ring with extra sparkle. Number 6. On December 5th, 2013, Nelson Mandela passes away at age 95. The world mourns a leader whose life was the epitome of perseverance and forgiveness. Rest in power, Madiba. Number 5. December 5th, 2014, NASA's Orion spacecraft makes its first test flight. Humanity takes a small step closer to Mars. Space nerds everywhere rejoice, Mars or bust. Number 4. On December 5th, 2016, Italy's Prime Minister Matteo Renzi resigns after losing a constitutional referendum. Politics meets drama. Italy never does anything by halves. Number 3. December 5th, 2017. The International Olympic Committee bans Russia from the 2018 Winter Olympics over doping violations. Looks like they had a bit too much Olympic spirit in their system. Number 2. On December 5th, 1955, Martin Luther King Jr. emerges as a leader during the Montgomery bus boycott. A legend steps onto the world stage. Destiny called, and he answered. Number 1. December 5th, 1996. NASA's Mars Pathfinder launches from Earth. The mission would deliver the first rover to the Red Planet. Talk about out-of-this-world achievements. Thanks for traveling through time with us on this whirlwind tour of December 5th. If these fascinating tidbits tickled your curiosity and funny bone, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more historical hijinks. Share your favorite December 5th event in the comments below. Your insights might just inspire our next episode.